what's up, Sneakheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get the video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, what do we got? That updates and recaps, baby.
Yeah.
So starting off with the updates. So one of the mark your calendars because this is a big change. The Air Jordan 4 Military Blue. This is a very anticipated pair coming out. But however, the release has been moved up. So mark your calendars. The new official date will be April 27th, 2024. This is an OG colorway that hasn't been retroed in a long time. I know my brother is looking out for these. And I know a lot of other sneakerheads out there are looking out for them. So mark your calendars. They are going to be $215. We will try to keep you posted with any shock drops or any updates in the future, but right now I'm going to let you know that the date has changed to April 27th, so mark your calendar, sneakerheads. Also, in breaking news, this just been reported like 34 minutes ago. This video ain't going to be out till another week. Travis Scott is releasing another Jordan 1 low. They calling this Pale Vanilla. I guess there's been a lot of Pale Vanilla shoes, it seems like this year, and one other trend that I've noticed that a lot of black and white shoes have been dropping since last year. Nike is continue to drop a whole bunch of black and whites this year. But anyway, back to our story. Jordan 1, Travis Scott is in a pale vanilla colorway. This is the clean colorway in my opinion. We're looking at a mock-up from Z Sneakerhead. He did do a mock-up of these. It does feature, looks like kind of like a grayish colorway with pale vanilla hits on it. So the side panel is pale vanilla as well as that toe box. And we do have that black swoosh, the Travis Scott backwards logo. I do think this is a very clean colorway. The bottom of the sole looks black. We don't have any more images at this time, but stay tuned because we have a lot of times for this one because it ain't coming out to the holiday time of 2024. So expect more official photos to come out of this. And if we do find a future date sooner than later, we'll let you know, sneakerhead. So moving on to the recaps. What do we got, my brother?
Hey, before we get into the recaps, hey, drop us a comment down below if y'all hearing any updates on the releasing of those shoes. Hey, drop us a comment down below. Hey, keep us in tune to what's going on, and we're gonna do the same. Keep you guys in tune. So the updates we do have is the week of January the 14th to the 20th. This week here, Jordan Brand seemed to went pretty light with us. We only had one shoe that dropped on the 20th. It was those Air Jordan 2s, the Pythons. These were men's sizes. Asking price for those was $175, and according to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. Once again, all sizes are still available. But that was the only shoe we had for that week, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.